green, green. Go, go, go.
So away goes the green flag, away go the Euro launch, lap sheet restart for heat 2 this afternoon, and this really is a dash. 2 laps left to go. We've got John Morris in 4.15 in the lead, 2.07. Brian Stanley in second, 28's gone round up there at the top. That's Mark Robertson. But oh, Craig Stansfield in a little bit of trouble with Eddie Chandler over there. So 4 cars breaking away there for the rest of the field, with John Morris, the winner of heat 1, I believe. Did he come? No, got second in heat 1. But John now leading in his second heat this afternoon, with Brian Stanley chasing on. 23, Dan Spinner. He got the win in heat 1. He's in that 3rd place spot. Now 24, Mark Payne up there in 4th. It's going to be John Morris with a win from Brian Stanley, Dan Spinner, Mark Payne, Eddie Chandler, Craig Stansfield, I believe, followed by Matthew Payne, and then John Andy Jr. And we'll be bringing the results on that in a very, very short while.